After this home was destroyed in an extensive fire in 2018, it was rebuilt. The new home beautifully honors the residence's minimalistic aesthetic, with elegant design and exceptional craftsmanship. This project exemplifies the use of durable, high-quality materials, aligning with the community's shift toward fire-resistant building practices and reflecting a proactive approach to fire safety. The installation presented numerous challenges, starting with extensive floor preparation to address deteriorated conditions and significant differences in floor elevations. The entire Terrazzo project, both interior and exterior, uses a poured-in-place bonded cement terrazzo system in a rich, consistent color. It incorporates tubs, walls, and integrated sinks in a monolithic design that maintains color consistency throughout the space. Using size 3 to 5 Venetian aggregate required using 1/2-inch strips instead of the standard size. Aligning the flooring with walls, cabinets, and shower areas often required on-site adjustments to accommodate discrepancies between drawings and actual measurements, ensuring a perfect fit. The result is a stunning living environment that elevates the property's profile. Carefully curated details, such as the seamless connection between the floor and fixtures and the integration of metal and glass doors, demonstrate an unparalleled level of artistry, maintaining a cohesive aesthetic throughout the home. This dazzlingly designed and expertly executed installation in Malibu, California, is the work of over-the-top terrazzo and tile of El Monte, California.